Yes, I am not happy the way the mainstream media from Nigeria discusses issues that matter so much in the society based on Nigerian situations. You see, the ongoing discussion about the arrogancy displayed by one of the Nigerian politicians few days ago and the way the title, the mainstream media keep portraying them. That is what is getting me angry. This video will remain forever and ever. What I'm making now will remain forever and ever. And my voice and my own point is already all over the internet. Millions are watching it. I don't care. Let me tell you, this man in question, they call by name, the Minister of FCT, by name, Nyesom Wike, the mainstream media on daily basis refer him as Honorable Nyesom Wike, which I blatantly disagree with them. Listen, this man we are talking about and his colleagues, I mean, most of the governors and most of the politicians, in fact, 98% of them, they have no sense of service to humanity. I'm talking about Nyesom Wike. Nyesom Wike has no empathy for humans. Nyesom Wike is very reckless and very arrogant. If arrogant person. You know him, of course. Almost everywhere he has been granted interviews. You look at the way he talks. Look at the way he behaves. Look at the way he presents himself. And look at the way he even display his character in the public like a motorbike tout. Nyesom Wike talks very reckless, with reckless abandon. You know that, of course. He has no respect to the position he occupies. They are careless about the deplorable state of Nigerians and the hunger in the land. I mean all these guys, starting from Nyesom Wike. So what is so honorable about Honorable Nyesom Wike? Nothing honorable about him. Nothing excellent about him. After all, if you know the definition of honorable and excellency, you will know that no one in Nigeria, as a politician, deserved to be called honorable or an excellency. Do you get what I'm saying? Because what the video I'm making will remain forever and ever, and it will play back to those who will use their brain to listen. There is nothing honorable about these guys. They are only wolves in sheep clothing. That is what they are doing. You can see his behavior, very childish, very arrogant, very reckless, and no respect of any person. Nyesom Wike does not respect anybody. Have you not seen it? Do we have to say it before you confirm it? He has no respect for anybody. Look at the way he abuses people in public. And when he is abused, he wants to talk about people abusing him. Do you get the point? The man deserves to be abused every 1 second by all Nigerians, millions of Nigerians. So he himself is a product of an abuse. Do you get what I'm saying? I don't blame him. He was once a taxi driver and he did his business in motor park, drinking to stupor and misbehaving. But it is not every taxi driver that has these traits and qualities. Do you understand? We have so many decent taxi drivers that behave themselves, family men and family people. But coming from Nyesom Wike, from motor park to becoming whatever chairman, local government chairman, or to governor, or even to the minister he is today, he is still living in a motor park. That is the only thing I'm going to tell you guys here. And I'm going to stop here. I'm just going to stop here. I know this video is going to go viral. I know it's going to go very far. Everybody, many millions is going to see this video. Nyesom Wike is careless. He has no empathy. He has no service to humanity. He serves nobody. He has no respect. He's so arrogant and behaves like a tout. For me, I see Wike still living in motor park. Either motor park in Lagos or motor park in Port Harcourt or motor park in Abuja. That is where I see his office. I'm going to stop here. That's just all I've got for you guys. Let him see this video and let him prove me wrong that what I said is not Nyesom Wike. Let's start from there. That's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for listening and thank you for watching. Let another person see this video because Nyesom Wike does not have any right to hold any office going by his character. He doesn't have a character to service humanity. These guys are employed. They are employed to service humanity. What is service? Go to your community. Look at what is not there and fix it. Render service to people. Let people be happy. Let people smile. Let people have something doing. And let even the low class, the so-called poor people have food to eat. Those are the things. Create infrastructures. Not abusing people. Not neglecting and not looking down on people. And that is what Wike does. He looks down on almost everybody. He doesn't deserve to hold an office. I stop here. Thank you so much. I stop here.